Hi, it's Leslie, and we're talking about Sister Wives. And oh my God, we're still talking about this freaking land, the freaking land. Yes, but you know what? It's a happy, happy day because the land is finally being paid off. Yes, it's about time. They couldn't even get it paid off while they were all still together. That's not good. And Janelle, who seems to be flush with money, or at least to some extent. I guess because she was working, but she's sending in her money.
So we're finally getting this property in Flagstaff paid off. It is to the wire. I think we have maybe 5 days, 10 days. So I don't know what Kody's doing. He's talking about gathering up all the money. I'm like, I'm just going to wire mine. You guys do what you want, but please just make sure it's there by the freaking deadline.
I mean, that's wonderful. Is it just me, or I'd be like, I don't know if I'd want to send mine in before I saw their check stubs or something. How do you know they're going to send it in? Because if you send it in and they actually find, oh, you know what, we don't have enough money, you're screwed. Then you just lost your money and they take the property. I would not be trusting anybody in this situation. But Janelle has come to play.
The property is a little bit complicated because even though we have these 4 lots, our names are not all on title for these 4 lots. So if we sold them now, it would be up to somebody's magnanimous generosity to be fair, right? And I suspect that will happen, but I have no guarantee. So in anticipation that I may have to fight for my fair part of this property, I have retained a lawyer.
Smart move, smart move. I completely agree with that. But we did get an extra special treat today. Robin was actually happy, and I don't believe she cried one time during the episode because this is a happy day for her. She's been waiting for this.
Happy to be doing this today. I've been looking forward to this for so long. We're finally paying off this property. That's good. That's good stuff,
Anyway, this whole thing is really strange. So they had, at one point Christine was on all the plots. So they had it split 5 ways. And then suddenly, magically, I guess when she sold, somehow they were able to take her name off and put someone else's name on. Probably Kody's, I'm assuming. But why, it's split so randomly? Legally, Kody has a piece of every property. I'm like, and you ask them, well, why did you do that? And Robin's like, yeah, why'd you do that, honey? And he's like, oh, we just had to split it. What? The easiest thing would have been put everyone's name on every piece. That would have been, you had to think about what you were doing. And he said that was easy. And she's so either stupid or playing us all. And she's like, oh, okay. Yeah, we were all just told after. That was Kody's idea. He just told us what he did. He just happened to put his name on all of them. Okay, yeah, tell us another one. But he has an explanation for that 5th lot.
So there would be Robin's 4 acres and then Janelle's 4 acres. And then Mary would have a lot and I would have a lot. And then Mary and I share a lot. The reason I want to do this is because, we got the 5th lot. The kids are able to inherit something special for themselves.
So the 5th lot is for the kids. You're going to give 1/5 of this lot to 20 odd kids so they could come back and have something to inherit. What? The 20 kids, first of all, don't get along. They some don't get along with. Are you going to force them all be on this? That's like a lawsuit 20 years from now or whenever you kick, 40 years from now. Whatever. What? Why would you? That makes no sense. That was total bunk. He's just saying that because it makes it sound better than, I just wanted more because, I'm the man here. But yeah, no kids want a part of this hot mess either. No. Robin's still delusional. She wants to build because she has hopes maybe Janelle, because she's forced to, because maybe she couldn't get out of this stupid thing, would build there, and Mary would build there, and she would kind of have her family there, even though no one would be talking. A lot of tall friggin' ass fences, but they would all be there. She's still living in that pipe dream. She just, it's sad. But then this whole thing, Mary, of course, tells Kody and Robin that Janelle, very kindly came to her and said, I just feel guilty. I want you to make sure you protect yourself. It should be fair. It should be split evenly, but just in case, I want you to be ready. You know what? Normally I believe Janelle, and I don't think she's a mean person, but I'm calling a little bit of bullshit on this one because what I think is Janelle's there's power in numbers, If Mary gets a little bug in her, oh yeah, I don't know if this is going to go so smoothly, let me get a lawyer. Once you have a couple lawyers involved, it makes it harder for Kody to fight. So I think Janelle was just kind of pulling in some extra reinforcements in case it does do the legal route, if you know what I mean. And maybe kindness, and the right thing to do was 5%. No offense, Janelle, but sorry, yeah. Anyway, I guess Mary, who seems like a pretty smart cookie, she's done well. She must be fairly intelligent because she has a pot to piss in. So props to you. And Janelle has like a half pot to piss in. But she's like, yeah, we should get it appraised so we actually know what we're dividing instead of just randomly guessing and someone get lucky and someone not. Yeah, that sounds smart. And Kody was just like, did not want to do that. But Robin was kind of like, well, why not, honey? Oh, the innocence of her. But anyway, it looks like they might have to go that route because then it would actually get split evenly, I guess trees are more, sound like cheese. It sounded like the properties with the trees were more, cost more. Like that would praise better. I don't know. I mean, trees are nice. But Mary, she's playing sweet and nice and she's got Kody right where she wants him. But she's no fool.
I'm not married to Kody anymore. I have to look out for myself. I talk about it like Cody's all in charge of the whole property. It's because he really has a monopoly on it. His name is on every single piece of property. If it gets to the point that I would need an attorney, I would do that. I hope that it doesn't get there, but I would do that if I need to.
Yeah, everyone wants appraisal but Kody. He doesn't want to do anything. But, you don't have to. You just have to write a check for that. But whatever. You could split that 4 ways too. But anyway. Mary's not going to build there regardless what Robin wants. But, and Janelle will only build there if she's stuck. I don't know why you'd be stuck. Just let it be empty. I mean, and I guess sell it at some point. But why you would torture yourself living next to him, please. But this is definitely going to end up in court. Hopefully Utah or wherever the frig they live. Hopefully they're on TV, the courts, they film in the courtroom. I would love to watch that because it'll be a good one. But anyway, because that's where this is ending up, I'm sure. Anyway, I follow this nonsense every week. So if you want to follow along, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next week. Bye.